lalabs, mag-end na ako. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Facility, thank you. Bago ako mag-end, gusto ko munang pasalamatan si Casey, Mix Vlog. Thank you so much, sis. Sisi Kulasa, thank you so much. Sisi PSJ, thank you so much. Sisi Myra, thank you so much. TJ, Eric, Sisi Myra, thank you so much. Sisi Lee, thank you so much. At sa mga patsugod ng alagad mo at mga patamsak, mga paharang, thank you so much, Sisi Lee. Sisi White Roses, thank you so much. Sisi Joa Gapito, Princess, thank you so much. Sisi Wandering, thank you so much. Yadan TV, thank you so much po. Sis Shirom, thank you so much. At saka sa iyong pag-member. Ayan. Hindi lang ako makamember, mga lahat. Sis Boye, thank you so much. Sis Jim, ayan, si Jo Aga, thank you so much hanggang ngayon nandiyan ka. And Sis Jack Singer, thank you so much. John Mark, thank you so much. Kapatid Gimbal, thank you so much. Loves kapatid, thank you so much sa pagsilip. At yung Clarita, thank you so much. And Arthur Music Video, thank you so much. Is Bisda, Liz, thank you so much. Nag-trainer ka. Si Badsin Jab, thank you so much. Alam ko nandiyan ka, nakamasig ka lang, hindi ka nagpaparamdam, madaya ka. Sis Girls Production, thank you so much. Pinoy TV, ayan, sumidip din, thank you so much. Oy, teacher Kokol. Asa na yun? Hindi ko na dikitan man lang ata yun. Sisi Merlin Reeves, thank you so much. JMW Vlogs, thank you so much. Na pasugod din premier. Cecility, thank you so much. Sir Ben, thank you so much. Sino pang hindi ko nabanggit at sa hindi ko nabanggit na mention na pangalan, ayan, pasensya na. Thank you so much. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. O sisi, nasan ba yung isa? Hindi ko na si Cecility ay na-play ko rin. Si 7 andyan, piniplay ko, matatapos na rin. Ay, wala na si teacher sa ito. Dikitan ko lang. Ngayon mga lalabs, mag-end na ako. Thank you so much sa inyo lahat. Sir Ben, full watching na. Harang na lang. Ayan si Joanne, try to i-play. Tingnan natin kung may CPR yan. Naku, paano mag-ano dito?